welcome back to my family's channel,
Chris and
YALL and Chris family. And today we're going to go to a park because it's a very good season. And my mom is behind us. Let's just switch that. So I'll meet you when I'm there. Guys, for now back, and this is my mom, of course. And it's really beautiful. It's greeny. There's a lot of plants here, and another here. The whole park is, the whole park is covered with green stuff. So this is how it looks. It's very greeny, and guys, I just found some beautiful flowers. I forgot what this is called, but it's really beautiful. And in the morning, it was raining very heavily, and there's a lot of water everywhere. So yeah, we're just taking a walk and watching the beautiful scenery. Taking a walk. It's a really nice scenery. You can see I'm walking. Yeah, it's okay. Because last night it rained and there's a lot of wind. That's why some of the trees have also fell down. Like this, as you can see. And here also. And there's a lot of I think it's really nice. Seriously, I love the view of today's park. So here's my bestie. As you can see, the park is really green today, filled with lots of plants and trees. Most of them are very big. Look at that girl. It's really greeny, very nice, a lot of people. And that is the main light, where it's turned on when it's night. And she be racing like a, I don't know, bull. It's really nice. Gonna be racing. It's so nice. It's really nice. My mom's walking. It's really nice. But she's right here. Yeah. It's really nice. Oh, I'm getting this. I forgot what it's called again. Banana tree? No. I think I would say palm tree.
No, it's cool. I can't stop breathing. It's cool.
Guys, I'm telling you, today's weather is really beautiful. Look at that long tree. It's very large, long, very nice. And the flowers are here again. I forgot what it's called. But if you know this is how it looks. Most of them have fallen in the ground. Oh. That was too embarrassing. I hope no one saw me. I almost fell, okay? This is how it looks. Very nice. And now I'm just taking a walk. I'm gonna go run to my parents. It's really nice. Kita gut rausgehen. It's my mom. I'm almost reaching my mom's height. It's a very nice weather. I'm repeating this again. It was raining heavily this morning. And she be taking some plants or flowers. Yeah, we're walking. Ooh, it's nice. Very, very nice. It's very greeny.